homemade salted caramel sauce. You need to make this.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with a saucepan. To that you will add 1 cup of white granulated sugar, and you're going to start to heat this over medium-high heat using a wooden spoon or a spatula that can withstand high temperatures. And you're going to just cook and stir this, and you'll see the sugar will start to clump up and start to change color and eventually will melt. The sugar melts in the bottom of the pot, and you need to keep stirring until all the sugar is melted and you get something that's nice and smooth and has this really nice dark golden color. Now you need to add some butter. 6 tablespoons of butter, room temperature, and you can cut it up into smaller pieces if you like. I added 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons in kind of chunks. Be careful when you stir it in because it's going to foam up quite a bit. Now as you're stirring, you may notice that the caramel is going to clump and then you'll get the butter that's kind of separated. If this happens, switch to a whisk and just continue to whisk 2 or 3 minutes over the heat until you get something that's nice and smooth. Now take 1/2 cup of heavy cream and you're going to drizzle it in and stir. Be careful because it may foam up on you because this mixture is really hot. Now I didn't use heavy cream. I had 18% table cream and it was just as good. And I got a nice glop in the middle of the lens. So basically you're going to bring this to a nice rolling boil and cook it for an additional minute. Take it off the heat, add in a teaspoon of salt, give it a stir, and your caramel is done. I poured mine into a canning jar, and then you're just going to put it in the refrigerator and allow it to cool completely. And here's the texture and the consistency of it. It's just heavenly. Lovely, thick, and that salted caramel flavor is unbelievable. This, I would dare you not to eat it just out of the jar, just the way it is. It is awesome on ice cream and is actually a key ingredient for this recipe. I made a peach caramel crumble pie and it uses this caramel in the pie and as a garnish, so check it out.